Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle I will do in this additional of today's newspaper of Friday November the 19th 2021. And one puzzle, yeah, this one is very hard, yeah, to solve. I need to try an error method. uh, anyway, yeah, Friday, November the 19th, 2021. Let me continue with the last puzzle. This puzzle will be number 3710. Before I start, I always count the pretty digits. Well, this one has 16 pretty digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. We will see. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. So let's get started. First question is, can we see in the single box? The single box is always a 1. I see here the single box, always a 1. Do we have more? Here, another 1. Alright, second question, do we have dual boxes? I see a dual box, it contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Dual box, triple box then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes, no. Quadro box, I see here quadro box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, we see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Quadro box, here, another quadro box. If you see a quadro box in the L shape, remember that this box, the inside box of this inside box, yes, is always a 5. Because it cannot contain the 1, the 2, the 3, or the 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill in those 4 boxes. Okay, so it's always a 5. Quadra box, more, no. Here, quadra box. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, then the following step is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some construction or structures. Yeah. Why? Because then the following step is easy for filling the numbers. So the first figure or shape that you need to recognize is the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw this. The L shape. Here we have the L shape. If you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here also rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case it's a 1. And of course I can now place the 1 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1. Okay. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. More? No. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me put this shape here. Okay. This shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this, let me. Yeah. Okay. More of this kind of shape here. Rotated 180 degrees. This box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes here. Rotated upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. Those are the figures in this puzzle that you need to recognize. Only 3 shapes. There are more, but in this puzzle we have 3 of them. Then the following stage or following step is to fill the numbers. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. Okay. This box cannot be A1. That box cannot be A1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadro box. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Okay. Then. How about these? 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes, can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box cannot be A1. These 2 boxes cannot be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, so 3 and 4. Okay. Then. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 2. 2 and 3. Okay, let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Then. Think. Yeah. Where's the opening? The opening. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This box can be a 1, cannot be a 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 here, double 3 there. So can it be a 1, can it be a 2 or a 3. So this box should be a 4 in this quadra box. It cannot be a 5. Quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box from numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 2. It's not the solution to place a 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So this should be also 3 and 4. But I cannot place a 3 here. We have a number 3 here. So this box should be a 4. Okay. And that box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box should be also 3. 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there. So no 4 here. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and the 3. Okay. 2 and the 3. Let me see. Now we have I've marked those 2 boxes 3 and 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. Alright. 2 to 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. Still not easy. 1. I think this box should be a 2 or a 3. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 5, cannot be a 4. So 2 or 3. And I've marked these two boxes with a 4. So it cannot be a 4. If this is a 4, that box should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here. So it's not the solution to place the 4 there. The 4 should be here. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1 anymore. We have a double 1 there. So the only place for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, this box is connected with that box, 2 or 3. Correct. These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, one of the missing numbers here is a 5. Could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a 1 here. Overlooked, so it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Okay. Oh, right. This box can be a 4. Can it be a 1? Can it be a 5? So it's 2 or 3. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 1. Can it be a 4? Can also not be a 5 because we have it's connected with that box. We have a 5 already here. So 2 or 3. 2 or 3. 2 or 3. 2 or 3. So here could be a 4 or there could be a 4. Well, this one is not easy. Not easy at all. We need to... we have a 4 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 4, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So, now, one of the missing numbers is the number 5. 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. The 5, okay. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. This box should be 4 or 5. Because we have a 1, 2, 3 here. So only 2 possibilities, the 4 and the 5. Well, this box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means if I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 5 here. This box should be a 4. Okay. Now we have a 4 here. I've marked those two boxes with a 4. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Okay, 2 numbers left. The 5 and the 2 are missing. 5 and the 2. Okay, 5 and the 2. And 1, 4, 3. This box, can it be a 1, can it be 3, can it be 4? So 2 numbers left, 2 or 5. 2 or 5. We have a 2 and a 5 here. So the 3 should be in one of those two boxes in this L shape. Okay. 2 or 5. 5 or 2. If this is a 2, then that box should be a 5. If this is a 2, then that box should be a 5. So this box cannot be a 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 4, 3. So this box should be a 4. This box should be a 2. I need to think if this is correct. What the conclusion? Yeah. Okay. Now we have a 2 there. So this box. So let me let me yeah. Let me put the other digits. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box will be 2, and this box will be a 4. Okay, I need a 4 in this area. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. Okay. Okay, we have a 4. 2 and 4. I think it's not a mistake what I've done. If I conclude, I have already here a 4, so those 2 boxes can be 4. So this box definitely a 4. Then this box definitely a 2. This box definitely a 4. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So this box definitely 4. So I've not made a wrong decision. Okay. So 2 and a 3. Okay. 2 and a 5. That means 2 and the 3, we have a 2 here, so this box should be a 3. It's connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there. This should be a 2, and that box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. 2 and a 5 are left in this L shape. We have a 2 there, so this box should be a 5. That box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box should be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. 5 and 2 are missing in this area. Let me mark those. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, not a 4 stars. Definitely, because I need 30 minutes or more. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Yes, it's weekend. Until then, bye-bye for now.